What up, tube? Today is Wednesday, April 24th, I believe, 24th. Normally it's my day off. I've been up early like I always do, just relaxing, but two of my boys called in sick today, so guess what? I have to go man the ship now. So I got about 10 minutes before we open, so I'm just gonna go home real quick and freshen up real quick, and I'm just gonna head over to the shop. I'm running late, so I don't want to be late, so I'm gonna hurry up and get this done, and I'm gonna head over there. But today's gonna be a regular work day. That's what it is when you're the boss. This is what it is, guys. This is what it is when you're the boss. You know, for you guys out there that want to own a shop and you guys want to run your own business, you know, when you're the boss, you know, things don't go right, things don't go the way they're supposed to roll. Guess what? It comes down to you, and you gotta handle it. You gotta step up to the plate and take care of business. That's what it is, and there's no ifs, ands, or buts about it. Do I want to go in on my day off? No, I don't. Did I have something planned to do today? Probably, you know what I mean? But now it's put aside because guess what? You own a business, and this business is what you got to take care of. This is what your money, this is your bread and butter, you know? Without this, there's nothing else, you know? So you have to take care of the business that you're running. And in this business, guys, it's customer service, you know? It's nothing more, nothing less. It's customer service. So guess what? We have to be there for our customers. And if my boys can't be there today, then guess what? I have to step up, and I have to take the reins. That's what it is to be the boss. So keep that in mind, guys. When you guys are ready to own your own business, things don't always go planned like you want it to, you know. So you got to improvise, and there's going to be days where, you know, I'm chilling at home, relaxing, enjoying my morning, having breakfast, and then it's time. You get the signal. It's time to go to work. You know, you're gonna have to step up to the plate. So I'm headed over there right now. We'll get into some more, and you know, that's what our topic today is going to be. You know, what the sacrifices of being a boss. You know, and it's not all easy, guys. Let me just tell you that it's being the manager owner is there's more to it than anybody even realizes it. When you're ready to do this, it's a big task, guys, and it's a learning process, because, you know, I could tell you guys and show you guys, but you got to live it yourself, you know. But with that being said, we're gonna go to the shop, and then I'll post some haircuts today, and then we'll get into some stuff. All right, guys, and we'll talk about this a little bit more later. intro my vlogs. This is my friend Paul Banky right here, ex-world champ, 1992.
Thanks for the clip, my bro.
Woo, baby. All right. When you're the owner, when you're the boss, no, you really don't have that luxury of saying, you know what, I don't feel like going in today. I mean, take that back. You do have that opportunity to do that. There's days when if I want to go somewhere, if I want to go to a vacation or go somewhere or leave early, I can always say yes because I'm the boss. You know, I take it in that situation. Yes, you know, I do schedule more vacations. I do take off weekends. I take about 4 weekends a year off, I think. So I mean, it's not like I never get it off, okay? But at the same time, guys, you know, when you're the boss, there's more responsibility. There's more things riding on your back. You know, you have to be there to work. You can't just say I don't feel like it. You know, you remember when you're the boss, when you're the owner of a shop or of a business, and this is so you guys know, you have 2 mortgages. You have to pay. No, 2 mortgages, or my rent at the barbershop and my mortgage. I gotta pay double insurance. I have to pay 2 light bills. I have to pay 2 water bills. I have to pay 2 cable bills. You know, think about that. You know, it's when you take on that responsibility of a barbershop owner or a business owner in general. You know, like there's double the bills. You know, there's double of everything. Everything you have to do is double. So when it comes time to situations like today where I don't have enough workers, because guess what? I'm the one that has to fill in the shoes. You know, I don't have that luxury of having tons of barbers that I could just call up different guys to go in there and work it, you know? But it's okay. And it's okay. That's what it means to be a boss, and you know, this is what we do and this is what we have to do. Okay, with that being said, I'm gonna go inside and take care of the bank right now, and I'm going back to work and finish off this day. And when you're the boss, at the end of the day, you always have to stick around till the end. Make sure everybody gets paid. Make sure the box is properly done right. Make sure the shop is clean. You know, just things like that, guys. Like, you know, your days off, when you're a business owner, your days off are not just filled with relaxing. It's like prepping for whatever needs to be done at the shop. You know, fixing things here and there, buying supplies. It's a never-ending charade of things that you got to be doing when you're a business owner. But I love it. I'm not complaining, guys. Not complaining. There's nothing else I'd rather be doing. I love being a business owner. I love having my own shop. I love having a shop with my name on it. I love it. I love it. I wish. The only thing I wish my pops would have been here to see it. I think he would have been proud because he used to be a barber. You know, that would have been cool. But I'm sure he's looking down from up there in the sky, looking down on us, so it's kind of cool. All right, I'm gonna head back to the shop now. Just got done at the bank and post up some more haircuts, and maybe we'll talk a little bit later, but if not, see you guys tomorrow.